Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the 1st of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the whole universe, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want like personal readings or healing sessions, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots. Okay, so let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. Six of Pentacles. Okay, so this person is kind of feeling there's a lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation, and they're trying their best to balance the situation, and something is kind of off balance right now. Maybe let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. My goodness, lots of Pentacles. Basically, this person is feeling like there's lack of stability in the situation, and they feel like bringing the stability back in the connection as much as they can from their side, but at the same time, they feel like there's a lack of participation from the other side. Yeah, this person is feeling they are doing their best. They feel like they are doing whatever they can do from their side in order to bring the situation back to stability, back to normal, back to happiness, but it's not happening even if they're trying their best. For some of you, it's related to financial stability. Because of financial stability, the situation is going through a very rough patch. For others of you, there's lack of participation from one person's side, and one person is doing their best in trying to protect the situation, in trying to protect this connection, make this connection work out somehow. Okay, let's see what this person, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? King of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like you should just remain calm and composed and grounded enough in order to understand what you should do next in this situation. I don't see you that much worried or that much in restlessness. The way this person is, and something related to finances is very deeply affecting the situation. If not finances directly, financial stability is also a key factor here in the situation. Okay, let's see from your side, what do you feel here in the situation? We have the Three of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and the Justice. Yeah, see, you feel like you should just keep yourself in a grounded position, because all you got from the situation is frustration and lot of heartbreak, lot of depression, and you feel like this is the right thing to do, to just not to do anything about it and focus on your individual growth and success, and stay calm and mature and practical. Basically, standing your ground. Hmm? And focusing on what's right for you, what's right for this whole dynamic, and for you as well. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Nine of Pentacles. See, their intention is to focus on their money, job, career, on their individual goals and success, if they are not successful in working things out with you in this dynamic. But this person right now is very much focused on materialistic gains, money, job, career, finances. Very important for them at this present moment. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. We have the Four of Swords, the Two of Cups, the Nine of Wands. Yes. See, they are too hurt in their love and relationship area that they just want to focus on themselves, and they want to heal themselves properly so that they can attract the right kind of person or right kind of solution to the problem that you guys are facing in this situation or because of this situation. So right now, this person is literally forcing themselves to come back to go back to themselves and work on themselves as deeply as they can, so that they can sort it out with you as well, maybe in the coming future. because they are not able to get the right kind of energy from your side. They are like, okay, let's focus on myself then. If Aquarius is maybe not interested, or maybe not ready to like put in the effort or energy, or whatever is the reason in the situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Chariot, you just want to move forward. You are very, very determined to make something happen in your life, and you're working on that consistently. You are like, I am not going to stop for anything or anyone. This is my goal, and this is what I'm going to achieve by just going in that direction and never stopping, never going back. Let's clarify the Chariot. We have the World card, the Eight of Cups, the Queen of Cups. You're done with this energy game of walking away and moving on and all this thing. According to you, you have moved on from the situation already. If this, even if it happened like in the in recent past, you're like, I can't be this. I can't like waste my time and energy onto something that's not working out, or that's not helping me in my growth in any way. You are very, very determined right now in this energy of making yourself your topmost priority in your life, loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and moving forward with this energy of determination of no matter what is going to happen, I am going to be the like center of attention of my own world, and I am going to love myself like crazy, and I am determined to make my life worthy of living and worthy of loving. Wow. So you're very much determined to have that self-worth, self-love, and self-care kind of energy that you were not able to do in the past because of multiple reasons. Now you are in this energy of determination, no matter what or who is getting out of your life, you are going to be super focused on your own self-worth and self-love and self-care. Wow, very good. Let's see what's coming towards you by the 1st of December, Aquarius. Five of Cups, a little bit of emotional disappointment, because maybe you are not going to get the outcome of a situation the way you want it. But disappointment is also a part of growth, right? This is how we grow as a person, as a soul. Let me clarify the Five of Cups here. We have the Page of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. See, you are going to break somebody's heart by telling the truth to them, or somebody is going to break your heart by telling you the whole truth, that they're no longer interested in on and off, in and out and games. They are interested in something beautiful and something solid on the table, and they're not getting it from you, so they are going to say goodbye to this situation for the sake of their own sanity, for the sake of their own happiness. It could be you saying it to them, it could be them saying it to you, but whatever the case may be, I do see a little bit of disappointment in this department of your area. At the same time, you getting the strength and the courage to accept the situation for what it is and moving on to the next chapter. That is outcome. Guidance, the Fool. Yeah. You have to take the leap of faith with the universe. Whatever is happening, Aquarius, is actually helping you to go towards the next chapter of your life. But again, you have to be fearless. You have to be courageous enough, like a fool. A fool don't know like what is going to happen next. They enjoy the present moment. They don't worry too much about. They don't even worry about anything or anyone, right? You have to be the fool right now, where you are not going to worry continuously about the future direction of your life, and you have to just take the leap of faith with the universe that whatever is happening is actually helping you to move to the next chapter of your life. Having full faith on the universe in the process is highly required from your side in order to go to the next chapter. The determination that you are showing me, you have to hold on to that determination until you are going to get to that point of self-love, self-care, and self-healing, that you are going to be complete in yourself. I've seen a lot of people commenting a lot of things. Honey, if you're already in that energy, you are not going to comment paragraphs anywhere. Trust me. I myself got to the self-love energy after 31 years of struggle. 31 years of struggle. Healed my trauma, healed my ancestral problems, were like the trauma that I was facing, healed my past life things, healed a lot of things in this life, for this lifetime as well. So yeah, this moment in my life, it came after 31 years of lots of struggle, conflicts, and healings, and this and that, and ho'oponopono. It helped me the most out of everything. Ho'oponopono plus Osho meditations, deadly, deadly, deadly combination. Ho'oponopono plus Osho meditative therapies and Osho meditations. Blending these three things together, my God, you're going to kill it. Now, yeah. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.